Hey guys, welcome back to Car's Kitchen, and today we are going to make this honey bun cake. So first we're going to cream our butter and sugar together, and don't be like me and put the sugar with the rest of the dry ingredients. You want to cream your butter and sugar together first. So now we're going to add in our eggs, and I am also going in with some vegetable oil. Then we're going to add in some sour cream, and then we're going to start adding our dry ingredients into our wet batter. And I will leave all the ingredients and the measurements down in the description box. Now that you have all your dry ingredients mixed in, we're going to add in our extracts. And this is optional. I'm using this caramel emulsion just to give it a little razzle dazzle. You don't have to put that in there. And make sure you scrape the sides of your bowl and give it one last mix, and then we're going to put this in our pan. And I believe this pan is a 9 by 12. I could be wrong, but I think it's a 9 by 12. So you just want to pour half of your batter first and kind of spread that out as best as you can. And I forgot to press record when I was doing the brown sugar part, but all it is brown sugar and a little bit of cinnamon and nutmeg mixed together, and you just sprinkle that on top and then add your second layer of cake batter. And you can really just mix it in the bowl and then pour it in, but I decided to do it this way. And you just want to mix it all together, make a little swirls, if you know what I mean. And we're going to bake this at 350 degrees for about 30 to 35 minutes. So while that's in the oven, we're going to start making our glaze for our cake. So I'm starting off with some powdered sugar, vanilla extract, honey, and a little bit of milk. We're just going to add just enough milk just to thin it out to your desired consistency. And I almost forgot the most crucial ingredient, which is the melted butter. Don't forget, like I almost did, make sure you add your melted butter and then mix that in. And now we're just gonna pour it all over the cake once it come out the oven and it has cooled for about 10 minutes. Just slap that glaze on there and you are finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this channel to a friend, and I will see you in my next video.